and pink ones in next seasons?
Yeah, we missed them. Sorry, guys. This is season 1, and this
It's season 2.
and this is season 3. Uh-huh. Hey, that doesn't look right. Do you like my outfit, guys?
Yeah, but isn't that from Descendants?
You just angered me! Beep, something is not right. Beep, There you go.
Hannah, what the heck? What did she do this time?
The heck?
Give me.
No! Baby,
What the?
No!
Hi guys, it's SNH Scissors Forever. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Hannah, and we
have
have
a
a special
friend.
guest.
Who?
Hi.
Hi,
He's
Jim.
Jimmy, our neighbor.
We will open Hairdorables Season 1, 2, and 3.
Are you excited?
Yeah,
I'm more excited.
I'm more excited.
I'm the most excited. Okay guys, so we will start with the season 1s. Where does season 2 and 3 goes? Did you use more of your magic?
Yeah.
Okay, so who should go first?
Me.
Ladies first. Oh look, I pull out an instructions kit.
I want Willow, like always, because she is the majestic unicorn of the group.
Of course, I want the limited edition rain showers.
Okay.
2, 1.
Uh-huh.
Wow, I got the cafe.
I got the studio.
Ooh.
Jimmy also got the cafe.
Oh my gosh, okay.
No duplicates these times.
Stop. Open me last. You pop it open.
I want-
3, 2, 1. Here we go.
Just my style.
Jimmy also got Here We Go. I'm scared to open it, guys. 3, 2, 1.
How do you open it?
You forgot already?
No, wait, let me see it. On the top here, there's literally like a yellows. I have a yellow comb with some stickers.
Ooh, do we have yellow combs?
no.
Ooh, we don't have that.
I have a white comb.
Correct?
It's not the same though.
No?
It's not the same. I have a
Ooh,
ball here.
all right.
Number 2, 3, 2, 1. Hair.
Love is in the hair. You go, curl.
How about you, Jim?
We got the same one I do.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I know what I got. It's a duplicate.
Duplicate again?
Yeah.
I got a phone. I reckon these, but don't
I got a
recognize these at the same time. I think we
I
got
got
a
a
phone.
phone
which one I
Here we got some cute boots.
I know.
Wait a second. 3, 2, 1. That was funny because you said 3 and then 3, 2.
There's more in the hair.
Love your style.
Oh,
We already have this one.
really?
Yeah.
I got it.
Oh my gosh. Sarah, which one do you have?
I have this like cat girl. I think I have
All
cat.
right.
Yeah. Anna's been waiting for this.
Uh-huh.
You know,
Oh, yeah, I remember that now, Hannah.
It was a happy puppy.
Here.
3,
2,
1. Reveal.
Mindless.
Time to put her stuff
Ah,
on.
her hair. Oh my gosh. Her hair's cute. Can I keep her? No!
Willow, name Willow, favorite color mint green, claim the fame, fashion designer, motto, style is a state of mind.
What's this? Like a puppy?
A unicorn.
A unicorn.
And then a unicorn shirt.
Do you know that Sarah Hannah has been dreaming of Willow for a long, long time, right, Hannah?
Ever since like the middle of 3rd grade. That's what they did.
Your hat is too small and it doesn't fit your size. Her name is Kat. Her favorite color is canary yellow. Her claim to fame is dog spring. And her thing she says is anything is possible. She has a hat, a white hat with the pink, upside down pink dog print. Her hair is blonde and pink, and 2 ponytails with 2 bobs. Her eyes are brown and pink. She has pink eyebrows. And then her shirt is a yellow and white sparkling dress with dog bones on it. She has 2 cute boots. One's red, one's blue, and they are like different types of boots, and they have 2 fluff balls on it. And then she comes with this cute pet dog. And here come. Look at her hair.
Hey. Cool.
Good.
Yeah.
I want
Another Willow.
rain. He wants rain showers.
Imagine now she gets.
I got
now
the
she gets
cafe
Willows and
again.
Willow. I want her to get Willows.
Here we go.
No,
I'm going through this fast, by the way.
No. Yes.
Yeah. You go, Curl.
I think you got a Noah, but not one we had.
Ooh, no, we don't have that.
This is Kylie.
We don't have that.
This is
Oh my
Kylie. So it's not the Kylie we have.
gosh. Okay.
3. Love your style. Review.
What's that?
It's Kylie, Mom. It's a water bottle, by the way.
Okay.
Cool. Peel. Reveal. So it's Brit because she has a
That's
soccer
right.
ball. I'm so excited. Cool. Peel. Reveal. We have got Brit before, but not this one.
Well, we've gotten every single one except Rain.
Put your socks on. I mean,
you got
put your
every
shoes
single
on.
one
Set of rain.
Well, not entire set, but like one of those.
Anna, hey, high five. Finally, hon.
Mystery thing. Then if you just flip the thing for the
Okay, now
I
let's.
love you, Willow.
Well, it's the one that I got.
Boppity boop.